Shape, Sorting, and Graphing, Unit 5, Module 4, Session 2. Before we begin today's lesson, you're going to want to print or create your own shape sorting graph, and then another set of shape cards. These are a little bit smaller than the shapes we used yesterday. Today we will organize, represent, and interpret data with up to 3 categories. Answer questions about the total number of data points in a set of data, about how many data points are in each category, and how many more or fewer data points are in each category. Identify, name, describe, compare two-dimensional shapes, including triangles, rectangles, hexagons, squares, rhombuses, circles, and trapezoids. Demonstrate an understanding of the difference between the defining and non-defining attributes of a two-dimensional shape. Today we will look at two-dimensional shapes and work together to compare those shapes. We're going to sort them based on their attributes, then put them on a graph. Let's describe these two shapes. The first shape, this is a scalene triangle. A scalene triangle has 3 sides that are all different lengths. This, of course, we know is a square. It has 4 sides, and all 4 sides are the same length. Okay, now let's have a look at a trapezoid. A trapezoid has 4 sides like a square, but it has unequal sides like the scalene triangle. Which one of the first 2 shapes, the scalene or the square, are most like the third shape, the trapezoid? Sorry about that. How is the scalene triangle most like the trapezoid? All of the sides have different lengths. How is it like the square? It has 4 sides, but they are unequal sides. Trapezoid has unequal sides. Scalene triangle has unequal sides. So we're going to group the scalene triangle and the trapezoid together because they have unequal sides. Now let's look at the hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. Are those sides equal or unequal? How could you figure that out? Most often, a hexagon has 6 equal sides. So we are going to group it with our square because it has equal sides. Okay, pause this if you haven't already printed or created your own shape sorting graph, and cut out your set of shape cards. Okay, the first thing we need to do for our graph is come up with a title. You'll see that the title here is all about sides. We're talking about unequal sides and equal sides. Equal in length, not in number. Okay, so we decided earlier that A hexagon has equal sides. A square has equal sides. So we will begin to sort these shapes. How many ways are there that we could sort these shapes? You could sort them by the number of sides. You could sort them by right angles or square angles. You could sort them by color, but color is a non-defining attribute. A red square is still a square. It's a square if it turns green. Color is a non-defining attribute. Okay, let's sort our shapes into equal and unequal sides. I need to label my graph. Unequal sides and equal sides. And don't forget to write your title, all about sides. Okay, so on my unequal or equal hexagon, equal sides. Scalene triangle, unequal sides. This is a little hard to do upside down. Trapezoid, unequal sides. Square, equal sides. A circle has no sides, so it doesn't even make the cut. Pentagon has equal sides. A rectangle has unequal sides. A rhombus has equal sides. A right triangle has unequal sides. Sorry about that. Okay, so your assignment is to choose two defining attributes and sort the shapes by those attributes. If we were in class, this would be a workplace. But here we are at home, so that's it for today, guys. Thanks for tuning in.